What's going on, YouTube family? We are back with another video. If this is your first time to my channel, you're going to want to go ahead and click that subscribe button. You're also going to want to drop a like at the end of this video. But if you are looking to make more sales, affiliate marketing with YouTube, make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video, because I'm going to be covering a lot of points that are actually really going to help you out when it comes to affiliate marketing using YouTube. Okay, so the fastest way probably to generate traffic to your affiliate marketing is by obviously using paid traffic, okay? But that's not what we're going to talk about here in this video, because obviously I want to talk a little bit more about how we can get started marketing a product or marketing an affiliate offer with no money. Because a lot of times when we start out, we don't really have a big budget to spend on advertisements. I know when I started out, I didn't have a huge budget that I had to work with. You know, I basically had enough to get my blog off the ground. I basically had enough to get all my supplies and, you know, softwares and stuff that I was going to need to run my business. So using YouTube can be a great avenue in generating traffic for affiliate marketing. So how are we going to use YouTube to generate traffic for affiliate marketing? So here's what we're going to do. In your niche category, what you're going to want to do is type in the top topic. So for example, if you are targeting the weight loss niche, you're going to want to target videos that are about weight loss. And if whatever's popping up in the top, let's say 10, we're going to take those videos, okay, we're going to open those up in another toolbar, and we're going to go ahead and sit there and watch these videos and find out why they are ranking at the top of YouTube. Okay, so as soon as you are done with these videos, what we are going to do is make a clone, copycat, mimic of these videos. What that means is, if this first video is about 7 ways to help you lose weight in 2 weeks, then what we are going to do is make a video, how to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks with this easy workout routine. That's the video that we're going to make. And you're going to do the same thing as follows. But here is the key with creating YouTube videos. I know a lot of you guys want to go out and make the best high quality video, make the best production, have the best camera equipment, have the best, you know, sound and audio equipment. I'm going to tell you, go ahead and leave all that stuff behind, okay? You will be able to build up into that. Your channel can grow from being basic and just getting information out there to having a high quality production, okay? So don't get so focused in on trying to create the best video. You know, we're not making a movie here, we're making YouTube videos, okay? Yes, now some of the videos are on YouTube, they're very professional, they have a lot of editing going on, there's a lot of graphics popping up all over the place. That's fine. However, when you're just starting out, you don't need to do that. So you can start off and just use your cell phone, okay? I mean, there's plenty of people that have thousands of views, millions of views, that have just used their cell phone, okay? That's all you need to do to get started when you're starting off with making videos for you. What you're also going to want to do is make sure to include a good description, and obviously include a link in the description where you would like to send your visitors to. Obviously, we don't want to make a good video and it goes viral and you have hundreds of thousands of views and there's no link in the description. These people have no idea where to go afterwards. So make sure that you are including your link in the description to wherever you would like to send them. So here's the second point that I'm going to move on to is, don't just stop at making 1, 2, 3 videos, okay? Not even 10 videos, 20 videos. The overall goal is to build little pieces of real estate with YouTube, and what that means is to go ahead and start uploading content onto YouTube so it can start planting its roots inside of YouTube and inside the search engine, you know, and get going with the way YouTube does things and how they rank videos, okay? So the best plan that I would come up with for 30 days would be to do 2 videos a day. 2 videos a day, whether that be 2 2-minute videos or 2 30-minute videos, however you want to look at it, however much time that you have, you want to do 2 videos a day, so that in 30 days you're going to have 60 videos uploaded to YouTube. That is where you're going to start to get traffic. You're going to start to get your audience start to roll in. You're going to start to build up your subscriber base. You're going to start to build up an email list, because wherever you're sending them. Now, I hope that you're sending them not just directly to an affiliate landing page or a product page. I hope you're sending them to a landing page that you can capture their email. If you want to give them a couple of videos out for free, if you want to draw them up a tutorial, maybe give them a free recipe book, maybe give them a free something, okay? You want to create value. You have to give your audience something out for free, because or else why would they want to buy from you? I can go to the 1,000 other people that are making videos on YouTube, and I can go get something for free for them. Why would I want to watch you? Why would I want to watch your videos? Why would I want to buy from you if you're not going to give me anything for free? So you need to create value. You need to be an expert in the field. Obviously, make sure that you do some research, do some homework, know what you're talking about when it comes to your topic, so that way your videos are going to flow nice and easy. If you do not already have an autoresponder, I would highly suggest getting one today. If you do not know how to set up a landing page or create a website, I would use ClickFunnels. That's what I use. You do not need to have any sort of experience in creating landing pages. They have hundreds of templates that you can use, and you can get started in building your email list there. So when you create a sales funnel, you're going to funnel your traffic from YouTube into your landing page, into your autoresponder, provide them value, and then sell them stuff on the back end. That's the way that a sales funnel is going to work. Okay, we're going to just like the way the funnel is built, just like this. It's going to be very wide at top. Okay, so we're going to bring in all of our traffic on the top, and then we're going to funnel them down. We're going to funnel them down by giving them free information. We're going to give them free content. We're going to give them free value. We're going to give them more information. We're going to build trust. We're going to build a relationship, and then we're going to sell them something. That's the way that a sales funnel works. You need to make your audience feel comfortable with you, but not only that, you need to help them out with their problem. Okay, find out what their pain point is, figure out what they are trying to know, so that you can help them with that problem. Okay, so if you establish yourself as an expert, you create good content, you build relationships with these people, you become friends, they're going to be more inclined to buy something from you than the next person who's selling them something. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope you get started on your 30-day action plan. I would love to see you guys comment back and tell me that you've already got started with your first video. And in 30 days, I would like to know how many videos you created and put on YouTube. So drop a comment in the description comment box down below, and make sure you check out my description. So until next time, I'm Dennis Anthony, and I will see you guys on the other side.